See how the coin rotates on the tip of the screw? We hammer the dowel, put the clamp on top, fix it with a screw and washer, and our hose mount is ready. Let's take two useless keys and fix them with a screw. We have an excellent device. If you install a spring on the handles of the pliers, it'll become much easier to work with them. When washing your sneakers in the washing machine, leave the tips of the laces outside so your shoes will not suffer. To make the narrow screw fit more tightly into the dowels, use the regular clamp. Simple and convenient. This is how you need to attach steel chains to a tree. Use steel washers with grips. To make two boards fit perfectly into the corner, attach them to each other and make these marks. Cut off the extra corners and you're done. They fit fine. To make it easier to twist the disc from any grinder, make two holes in the wrench and insert the bolts there. Now the distance can be adjusted and unscrew any disc without any problems. That's the right way to leave a gap in the wallpaper under the outlet using a spatula and a stationary knife. Everything is neat. The steel nozzle can also be screwed with a conventional screwdriver. In order not to accidentally split the tile with a hammer, do this. We make a barrier of duct tape and pour glue inside. After solidification, a soft pad is obtained that will not break the tile for sure. In order for the screw for vertical fasteners to hold more securely, we'll take the filling for the glue gun and we'll thread it. Now everything is definitely tight. Even a steel cable will not withstand such heating. If you need to carve a cylinder out of a bar, this can be a homemade machine. All you need is a couple of bars, a board, and a coarse bearing. We assemble the structure, insert the screwdriver into the bearing, and scroll the bar over the machine. Let's take a disc from a circular saw. Make several holes in it. In the corner we fix a long bolt with nuts. Then we'll unravel the steel tube and connect it with a plastic tube. Fix all the elements on a wooden base and get such a piston working from a screwdriver. Flatten the jar in a second. Let's disassemble this chain. We need only one link. We'll attach it with a screw and we'll stretch the ring into the free link, holding on tight. Can't get the ring off your finger? It doesn't matter. Take any ribbon for decoration, stretch one end under the ring and wrap the other part completely around your finger. Now we begin to smoothly pull off the ring along the ribbon until finally it comes off. Freedom! Use it! Are you afraid to hang the handles of the lockers unevenly? Take the tape, stick it on the handle, make holes in the tape in place on the holes in the handles. Now attach the tape to the locker. Mark the holes. And at the same time, make a mark for the second handle. We glue the tape there. Make the same notes and leave holes in the doors for fastening. Now the handles will definitely stand up straight. See how simple it is? We'll mark the steel corner for the future escalation. Like that. We drive a dowel into the wall, fasten the whole corner with a bolt and washer. Screw it into the wall. Now we attach our corner with a notch to it. When everything is securely fixed, our bike stand is ready. Just hook it on a pedal. Very convenient. Look at what kind of device I have. It allows you to magnetize steel objects. Here's the proof. And if magnetism needs to be removed, it will also cope with this. We'll disassemble the syringe, remove the piston, pull a balloon on it, and inflate it with air. And we got a working dust inflator for cleaning hard-to-reach places.